Reconnecting with nature for a better life, a unique team-building experience that promotes growth, skills development, intercultural connection, and environmental awareness. Experience a unique team-building journey that merges marine sustainability with cultural diversity, fostering environmental awareness and the development of a global mindset. Reconnect with nature and yourself. Learn through hands-on exploration by touching, observing, and truly experiencing the world around you. Dive into responsible tourism, where we learn to protect and respect the oceans while immersing ourselves in the rich tradition of coastal communities. Our activities are designed to inspire a global mindset, nurturing empathy, adaptability, and a shared vision for a sustainable future. Participants will not only gain invaluable marine experience and personal development, but they will also grow as responsible citizens and reliable teammates. Our team-building activities are sustainable boat tours and sustainable walking tours for small groups of people. During the excursion, the participants will be involved in team-building activities to enhance trust among the members of their team, as well as sustainable practices, highlighting the marine environment and the cultural significance of the Mediterranean Sea and its influence on various cultures.